Today's video is basically on how to live stream on YouTube, and I'll be sharing with you why live streaming is very important and also the requirements you need for live streaming. So I know so many people are already live streaming, so this tutorial might not be for you. This tutorial is targeted towards people that have been on YouTube and have not started live streaming and are wondering how to go about it, and also targeted at people that are new on YouTube or about to start YouTube and wondering how they can live stream. So now let's just get into it. What's the importance of live streaming? Live streaming helps you to connect with your audience. It helps you to connect with people. It helps you to get more subscribers on your channel, because when you live stream, it reaches out to many people, and so many people are able to recognize your channel. So this helps you to connect more with your audience, and it also helps you to get more subscribers. It helps more people to relate with you on a more personal level. I mean, that's exactly why you're on YouTube, right? So you're giving out value to people, but you also want to connect with them on a deeper level. That's what live streaming does for you. So also, it gives you a lot of watch time. Live streaming gives a lot of watch time that would enable you to get your watch time quickly so that you can monetize your channel. So whether you are using Restream, whether you are using the proper live stream, what Restream will not do for you is, though depending on how you're doing it, if you're restreaming using not your face, of course people cannot connect with you. It's a pre-recorded video that is on there, but this face-to-face live stream is one that people can connect with you in real time, exactly the way you are. They're seeing the way you are and everything, so they are connecting with you in real time. So that's a more deeper connection, I must say. So it helps you to get your watch hours quickly. So if you have not been live streaming, this is a cue for you. If you really want to get the 4,000 watch hour, if you can live stream even daily, it's very important. It helps you to get that right audience that you need, and it helps you to get lots of watch hours. Sometimes the watch hour you get from live stream, you might not even get it from one video that you have posted. So this is very key. Now I'll go into the requirements of live streaming. So for you to be able to live stream on YouTube, you need 50 subscribers. 50 subscribers to be able to live stream. So if you have the notion of coming on YouTube, just have it at the back of your mind that you need 50 subscribers to be able to start live streaming. So if you want to, talk to people about joining your channel and all, just note that you need 50 people to be able to live stream on YouTube. I'm not sure about the other platforms, but to live stream directly on YouTube, you need 50 subscribers. So now we'll be getting into the tutorial very shortly. So it's a very short tutorial, so stick on with me. So guys, to live stream on YouTube, all you need to go is to the plus sign here on your YouTube app. There's this plus sign here, as you can see. You click on it, you will see video, live and post. You click on the live, and so it says YouTube would like to access the camera. You can do allow, and then allow to access the microphone as well. The next thing to do is to click on this pencil icon here, and here you can write your title, whatever you want your title to be. You can say question and answers, let's chit chat. It depends on what you want to do, or whatever topic it is you will be going live on. You can write it here, and make sure the visibility is on public here. For the audience, not made for kids, you can write a description here as you want, just a brief description about what you want to be doing, and also you can add some hashtags as well so that it can help the live stream to go far as well. And then for location, you can put in your location if you wish to, and then if you want to schedule for later, you can turn this feature on here and book a date. Pick a time and all. This is how to do it. Pick a day, pick the time, and you click OK. And then you pick a time. Let's just say 6 p.m. And you click OK. And then tag products. That's if you are monetized and you have a store, you can tag products. Then advanced setting, you come here, you allow chat here, allow reactions so that people can drop reactions for you. They love emojis and the rest. Allow chat as well so that you can see. People will definitely chat you up when you are live. You can see the chat. It's necessary to allow. You enable monetization if you are monetized. You can click on enable monetization and then you go back. So once you go back, you go on to next. You can click on the calendar here. Okay, that shows you you click on next. You can see that it's already scheduled. When you click on next, you can see here that it's already set for 14th December 6 o'clock. And so you wait for the time and then you go live or you click done. Another thing that you need to do is to put in your thumbnail. You click on this pencil icon here and you click upload thumbnail. And so you can pick any of these thumbnails here. Whatever thumbnail you have created for it, rather. This is the one I created for yesterday. So you click on it and then you click save. You click save. So, and then you can click on done. So that's basically how to go about it. Since you have done that, you just click on done. Since I'm not going live now, so I'll just click on done. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up so it can reach a wider audience. Please try to share to people that you know it will benefit. And also on my end screen here, you're going to be seeing a video. Please watch it as this is going to be really impactful. Subscribe as well for more growth tips like this. And until I see you in my next one, have an amazing day ahead and bye for now.